Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable auto brightness on your iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we're going to tap on Displayed and Text Size. And here we go down to the last option and tap on Auto Brightness. So tap on the switch to turn it off, or tap on the toggle button again to switch it on. And I said that turning off Auto Brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to Settings, or swipe up at the bottom of the screen to return back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.